If you're in the market for a new or used car, you might have heard of Truecar.com. It's a car buying service that shows you what others paid for the same car, so you can get a fair price without all the back and forth at the dealership. Great in theory. And honestly, it really helps if you hate haggling and just want to know what a fair deal looks like. But here's the catch. Dealerships set the actual price, and not all of them participate with Truecar. So sometimes the fair price is still close to MSRP, meaning you're not always getting a killer deal. Also, some users say the local dealer offers aren't always the best you can find elsewhere. So, is it worth using? If you want to skip the negotiation and feel more confident walking into a dealership, yes, absolutely. But don't assume it's always the lowest possible price. Always compare with other sites like Edmunds or Kelley Blue Book. Let me know if you use Truecar when buying a car. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews every week. See you next tutorial.